And let it all out. Drop it all the way down. Good. And I can feel there's more in there, so. That worked pretty good. Hot mom is back.
Awkward.
You're due for another adjustment, right?
Yes.
You were telling me your neck hurts.
Yeah, just well overdue for an adjustment.
Okay, where are you feeling it?
Oh, right there. Mm-hmm. I still have a little bit of knee pain.
Okay. Which knee?
Right knee.
Okay, we did the shockwave on it,
Yeah,
right?
we did a couple, and the pain was immediately better for a couple of days, and then it's come back. So it probably just means I'm due for another treatment.
Follow up on that. So we'll keep following up with that. I'll adjust that and check that though.
Okay.
But tight through the shoulder blades, low back. Okay, and you just need to be adjusted. Busy running around.
Yep.
Okay.
Busy.
Busy. Okay.
All right.
Lie down.
I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. So.
Okay.
Don't get this.
Don't worry, he always edits it out.
Okay.
Okay, lie down.
Face down?
Yep.
All right. Good choice to wear a dress to the chiropractor.
It's all right. I can adjust in almost everything. All right. So, where have you been flying off to now? What was that?
Well, summer's been busy.
Yeah.
Trip to Europe, 2 trips to North Carolina, and 1 to South Carolina.
Okay. Golf? For the kid?
Yeah, golf, and birthday. Yeah,
How's your low back feel?
it's a little sore. Oh,
It's a little stiff right there. You feel that?
yeah.
Okay. You're just gonna make it hard for me to do what you need, but we'll figure it out.
I've also had some stomach aches.
Okay. Tell me about that.
Just
Like pain in the upper stomach, pain in the lower stomach,
more pain in the lower stomach.
after you eat, before
Yeah,
you eat.
usually after
Okay.
doesn't result in anything.
You want to talk about that?
Not particularly.
Usually I do, but okay. Yeah, we're just gonna let you go for a little ride here. Because you're super stuck. Everything is
I can feel that.
jammed up. So
Yeah.
we're just gonna let the table stretch you out a little bit. Open up the lower spine. Good. There we go. Really just breathe into that. Yeah, because you're super tight all the way. Yes, good. Super tight all the way up there. Yeah. Well, we made it through the beginning part without laughing.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
Don't snore. Good. Good. Breathe and out. Good. Breathe in and out. Yeah, you feel that?
Yeah.
Breathe in and out. Good. Do you breathe every day? feels like it's like. I wonder if you're tight on the other side too. Oh, over there. Let me see if I can loosen that up a little bit. So I'm just going to tuck this in a little bit. Feels a little crunchy in there. Is that sore?
It really is sore.
Good night, Ori. Well, maybe when we go to that gold thing, we'll have to. Yeah. You feel all that, huh? Breathe, yeah.
Just a little stress.
Am I making you laugh or making you cry?
Laugh.
Okay. As long as there's no tears. You feel this is where you feel your stress?
Oh, yeah. All of it.
Yeah. Like work stuff?
Yeah. Well, work and kids. I'm surprised he's not banging down the door.
Mm-hmm. Well, he could have been in here in his football stuff. Ooh. Okay, I just want to open up some of that because I think, let me get the other side too. That'll help me make more, open up more when I adjust you. Good. I just want to see if this side is as tight. So I'm just working around the scapula. Ooh. There we go. Ooh.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
What number out of 10 is that? That's pretty good.
I'm terrible at numbers, but I felt it in my finger when you...
Ooh, okay, so you got some pretty good trigger points in there.
Yeah.
Might be due for a massage. Ooh, don't you have a membership?
Yes. I probably have 75 banked sessions.
So we could go the rest of the year every week. Both of us together. All right. Okay, you're doing good. Almost done. I just want to, yeah. Let me check. Yeah, actually this I got more, got darker faster. Okay, well, let's see what we can do here, okay? Good. It's really tight there. Take a nice deep breath in. And let it all out. Drop it all the way down. Good. Good. That went pretty easy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, another nice deep breath in. And all the way out. Let it drop. Ooh. That's a deep one. All right, let's see if I can do this one here. Okay. Good. Other side. Oh, when you laugh like that, it's so funny. All right, let's check this lower back here. Okay, so we're gonna lie on your left side.
Pretty sure my face looks like I've been.
You look great. And then this. Perfect. Okay, come a little closer to the edge. Good. Bottom leg straight. Hook. There. Good. Perfect. Good. Nice deep breath in. Let it all out. Let that shoulder drop back. Yeah, good. Okay, I'm gonna get in your armpit. Good. Breathe in. Let that shoulder drop back. Yes, let that open up. Yes. Oh, okay, let's go the other way. That's how I was stuck. Let's try this way.
Careful.
We got you. You're good. Good. Let's leave these lumbars now. Breathe in. All the way out. Drop that. Let it drop. Yep. You're kind of like gripping on. Go on your back. But that moved.
Yeah.
That was good. Now let's see what we're going to do with your neck. The headaches?
A little bit. A thing, just like tension.
Mm-hmm. Deep breath. Drop your right shoulder. I can tell it's been a while. Here, let go. Let it. Good. Mm-hmm. You feel how it's like it's super tight, and I can feel there's more in there. So that worked pretty good. I'll take that. But I think get a massage, and then we can do some more work because it's been a little bit. So your body's kind of holding on tight. Okay, good. Good. Now let's switch. Same thing. Drop that. Yeah, let it go. Good. All right. Sit up, face the mirror. Face that way. You got it. At least you can get up. Okay, you good?
Yeah, here, let me.
I'm gonna adjust.
There we go.
Good? Mm-hmm. Just gonna check your ears.
Oh my gosh. That didn't hurt. It just surprised me.
Does it feel hot now? Right? It's a little hot, little blood flow. Okay. That hurt?
No.
Or are you just making faces?
None of this hurts. It's just a little surprising.
Good. Okay, stand up.
Woo!
How's that feel?
I think I grew like a couple inches.
Face that way. Let me see you. How's that feel?
Good.
A little less stuck?
Yes.
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, we didn't check your knee. Go on your back. Let me check your knee real quick. Which one? Right, left?
Right one.
Okay. So hold this leg out strong. Let me push it in. Just like that. Hold it out strong. hold it out here, hold it out here. Good. So I'm going to adjust the femur for rotation and then the patella. Good. Hold the leg out. Perfect. Hold. Good. Hold it. Good. Is it sore there?
Right there.
Yeah. So you're gonna probably hate me, but right now it's so tight it's pulling on the patella. So if I loosen this up a little bit. You okay?
Yep.
1 to 10.
Probably about an 8.
What's the neck? Oh, okay. So it's pretty tight.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I can feel the resistance. It's not doing the same thing as up in your neck area. Breathe. There you go. Good. I know it feels like it's ripping, but it's not. We're just breaking up some of the scar tissue that pulls on that patella because we want it to track.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Just like 2, 1, 2.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a little knot right there.
Is that why it's been extra sore down there then?
Yeah, I think so. I think you've got, I mean, this is all tight here, but there's definitely some scar tissue. I can feel it all right here. That's affecting how the quads are working and affecting how the knee is working. That's why I have to keep adjusting the knee, the patella, and the femur.
Okay.
So that's at least part of it. All right? So let's see if we can't get you back running. Okay, now see. Besides her little sore where I was beating you up. It's okay?
Actually feels good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the side that bothers you the most, right? Okay. Okay, good. We did ears and hands and...
Sorry, you want me to stay over here?
You do, whatever, you do whatever you want. We're good, yeah?
We're good.
Okay, neck better?
Yeah, actually, I think there's a little bit left in there, so I'll have to come back.
Or we'll use one of the 75 massage
Yes.
appointments. Okay.
Pretty sure that's going to happen.
Tell everybody to like and subscribe.